Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nova Sultani Akram from 9F. Right now, I want presented my scientific project about design and prototype of motion sensor alarm peer for mini-scale home security. List of contents. First, introduction. Second, result and data analysis. Third, summary and recommendation. Islamic values. Quran Surat Al-Anfal 60. The meaning. And prepare to face them whatever strength you can and from horses feather for battle with that preparation you will frighten the enemies of Allah and your enemies and those other that them whom you do not know, while Allah knows. Introduction. In this modern era, human security can now be maintained using tools or robots that will protect humans from the danger that always come, whether it's robbery or death. And now many people are making security tools for humans so they can live peacefully and comfortably without any disturbance from criminals who are lurking. Problem statement. What component and design configuration are required to build a simple, affordable, and reliable motion sensor alarm system? How well does the prototype perform in providing immediate warning when motion is detected? What limitations arise during the development and testing of the mini-scale motion sensor alarm prototype? Objective. To determine how effective the motion sensor alarm prototype is in providing alerts when detecting movement in the monitor area. To understand the function of each electronic component in a mini-home security system. To determine whether the sensor design meets user needs and preference. Research method. Research method. This experiment was conducted using an experiment method. We conducted an experiment by designing a prototype of motion alarm pair for mini-scale home security. We will test the prototype detect whether there is a danger or not. Result and data analysis. Tools and materials. Tools, motion sensor PIR, module relay, buzzer, transistor S9013, transistor BD139, dioda N4007, jack male and female DC, jumpers cable, exterior, cardboard, tin, acrylic, adapter DC 5V2A, materials, solder, glue, screwdriver, tweezers. This is step how to make motion sensor alarm. First, prepare the tools and the materials for the experiment. Second, bend the legs of the S9013 transistor to make it easier to solder. After that, step 3, then attach the transistor whose legs have been bent to the pierce sensor using solder. 4. Bend the legs of the BD139 transistor. Step 5. Connect the BD139 transistor leg to the S9013 transistor leg using solder. Step 6. Attach the N4007 diode to the VCC pin on the peer motion sensor. Step 7. Connect the negative buzzer cable to the S9013 transistor leg. After that, connect the positive buzzer cable to the N400005 diode leg. Step 9. Take the jumper cable and plug them into the relay module. Step 10. Connect the cable that was previously plugged into the relay and connect it to the peer sensor. Step 11. Take two jumper cable and attach them to the peer sensor. After that, connect the cable to the female jack. Step 13. Put up a cardboard box is a best and some exteriors to make it look like a mini-scale house. The last is connect the adapter to the female jack. The result is that the be- the result is that the device can function by detecting people around with a maximum radius of 7 meters. And when the device detects movement, the sensor will send a signal to the buzzer and then it will sound very loud. Summary and recommendation. Summary. The conclusion is that the mini-scale motion sensor alarm prototype was successfully developed and worked effectively in detecting human movement using a peer sensor, triggering an alarm. This shows that motion-based home security can be implemented affordably on a small scale and has potential for further development, including remote monitoring features. Recommendation for designing and prototyping a mini-scale motion sensor alarm. A recommendation is to use a PIR passive infrared motion sensor as the primary component due to its ability to detect movement based on human body heat. Additionally, use a microcontroller module such as Arduino or ESP32 to process the sensor data. Then implement real-time notification via a smartphone app. Thank you for listening. I am Muhammad Nawa from NANF. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.